Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. Thank you so much for joining me today for this month's local market update. We are covering, in today's episode, Wood County Northeast. That is everything north of US 6 and east of State Route 25, excluding Perrysburg, Northwood, and Bowling Green. Let's dig right in. So when we're looking at the numbers for February of 2021 versus February of 2020, we are seeing some positive signs here in Northeast Wood County. And what I mean by that is we're seeing new listings, folks. This is wonderful news, because we desperately need them. This year versus last year, same time, we have 6 listings, so 100% change. Pending sales have decreased a little bit, but closed sales have increased quite a bit. And even with the new listings, we are still seeing days on market recede down to half of what they were last year this time. What we're also seeing with these new listings is that prices are continuing to rise, which indicates to us that there is a very healthy buyer pool in the market right now. So if you have been contemplating selling a house, let's chat, because I'd love to surprise you with what your home might be worth. And also, I'd love to help you create a plan for what it is that your future may hold for you. Whether it's a bigger house, whether it's a smaller house, whether it's a different area. Let's talk and let's make a plan, because what you do not want to do right now is wait until the last second and then have your back against the wall. And why I say that is not necessarily if you are selling, we should be able to sell your home pretty quickly. It's what happens next. Can we find you the right property if you have to sell, or if you want to sell, or if you need to sell? So in today's market as a seller, we really need to look at what's available, where we would love to be, and how we can achieve the goal working our way backwards. And if you are a buyer right now, I'm sure it is a very frustrating time to be you. But I want to tell you right now that there's good news. And that is, I have a ton of experience working with buyers like yourself, and I'm successful in getting them the absolute best deal possible. Folks, I am not a salesperson. I will be the first one to admit it. I'm not here to sell you a thing. What I am here to do is help you make better decisions. And the way that I do that is by making these videos right here. I want to inform you of what is going on in the market. Like right now, there are 13 homes for sale in all of Northeast Wood County. And we have reduced in number from last year this time, even with increasing new listings. That's because these closed sales continue to creep up and take inventory off the market, which is driving month supply of inventory down to almost 2 months. To put that into perspective, in order to be at equilibrium, we should be between 4 to 6 months of inventory, not 2.1 months. So if you are a seller, it's a great time to be you. And if you are a buyer, it is also a great time to be you. The reason I say this is because interest rates are so low right now that you can afford more with the same amount of money. You are borrowing money below what is typical for the rate of inflation for our area. I know many people have said, hey Jim, I'm just going to wait until the market recedes and it's not so crazy. Let me stop you all right there. What you're going to do by waiting is shoot yourself in the foot, because interest rates, we don't know what they're going to do tomorrow. They could go up. They probably won't go down anymore, but they are likely going to go up. And if you look at this trend right here for median sale prices for Wood County Northeast, you will see that the market doesn't really go down. It goes up. It's normal for real estate to appreciate in value, folks. The only thing that you're doing right now is you're getting yourself a great deal as a buyer by taking advantage of these low interest rates. For any more specific questions, or if you'd like to schedule a consultation, Jim T would be happy to help you and happy to educate you on what the next steps are, how to maximize this market to work for you. Thank you for joining me today. It's been an absolute pleasure. This is Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. I thank you for watching, and I hope you make it the best day yet.